Hello viewers, welcome to Jbin IT. Today I want to show you how to install Kaspersky AntiVirus for Windows. Please select USB. At first you need to install Kaspersky Net Agent if you have any Kaspersky AntiVirus server. Then you need to install the Net Agent. Otherwise you can use Kaspersky own lab server. Here you put server address, that's an IP address, host name, then next. Net Agent setup is complete, and then next step you need to set up Kaspersky endpoint security. Endpoint security 10. Click on exe file. Set your administrator password. If you have a local user, so you need to administer password, accept, next, standard installation, install. Press installed successfully. Press OK. Then next. Here you can set antivirus license key or serial number, or you can add 1 month trial period from Kaspersky. active the license key file, then select the license key file. If you need to license key, then contact with us. No need to money. Start. And then agree. Select agree. Okay. You can see this file. Start this service. You need to update at first. If you have a server, then you can update from your server. Otherwise, you need to Kaspersky lab server. Here I show our Kaspersky own server. Antivirus will be updated from my own server. Then start update. You can also show the update process. Here please see carefully this option. I will show how to perfect installation of Kaspersky AntiVirus server. Kaspersky AntiVirus endpoint security 10. Here just 1, 5 and 1. Here you can remove control your pen drive or removable drive from here. If you stop the removable drive, then you can select block, otherwise allow. Select option setting all files. Please see every options for perfect installation of Kaspersky endpoint security 10. Here firewall setting, this is very important. Please select every option allow. Then your PC will be fast. If this option are allowed, then your PC will be fast. Scan status, select high, and you can set the runtime. When start scanning, it will be your customer's time. Set your customer's time. Every section will be 1. Then report and others information node will be stored. After then your PC will be fast. And thanks for watching. Please contact us for more information.